What's up guys, Galapagos J here. So it's time for another DIY video, and this time I'm going to be making that vertical rack that I was talking about. This rack is going to be quite simple in construction and sort of the design of it, so it should be a lot quicker in completing. I think the more difficult part is just to making sure that it's all leveled and straight. So anyway, so without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so prior to this, I already cut some of the tubings into size. So it's just a matter of welding them together. But before I start doing that, I'm going to sort of polish the edges a little bit better so that it's all flush. When I, weld it together, it's all like straight and stuff. So anyway, let's start polishing. Okay, so now that the frame has pretty much been completed, it's now time to fit the wheels onto the frame. Let's go. Very good. Let's see if we can flip the part out. It's not toppling over, very sturdy, and yeah, makes storing go-karts a lot easier. I'm pretty happy with this. Yeah, very good. Anyways, guys, that was a pretty quick project because I had all the tubes cut already, so it took a lot less time than the bead breaker. The bead breaker really took me a whole day, but that one was just like a couple of hours of work, and I was really happy with the results. Although the having to move the cart onto the rack is a bit of a hassle, and I probably won't be able to do it by myself, so I'm gonna have to think of a solution to do that. But anyway, that was a really fun project. And the next one I'll be making would be to replace this crappy table with an X-frame, which I can also take to the track. Anyway, so if you guys enjoy this kind of content, you can consider subscribing to me. That's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.